So there you go, guys. That's the Breguet 7147. Absolutely stunning Breguet. Absolute winner chicken dinner. Microwaved, high heat. This is the meaning of life there. The meaning of life is Breguet, guys. Okay, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Guys, also remember, I can't survive on Google Ads alone. Check out my live stream channel. I live stream twice a day, morning and night, on the Archie Luxury live stream channel. Please go and take a look and see the show. You might enjoy it. Guys, these are beautiful watches, and you've got to be appreciative. Go and wear your watches, enjoy life, and just celebrate the being. And I also love a Montegrappa pen. I love a bit of LV. It's all very beautiful. Okay, guys, that's the show for today. I will see you in the next one. See you later, fuckers.